Wow, look at this market. So many things to buy. But how do I shop in English? Today I will teach you 5 shopping phrases. Let's go. First, 3 important words. Price. How much money something costs. Say it. Price. Expensive. The price is high. Too much money. Say it. Expensive. Cheap. The price is low. Good price. Say it. Cheap. Great. Now let's shop. I like this scarf, but I don't know the price. I say, how much is this? Say it with me. How much is this? 500 baht? Oh no. That's too expensive. Say it. That's too expensive, but I can ask for a lower price. Can you make it cheaper? Say it. Can you make it cheaper? 300 baht? That's much better. I like this price. I say, I'll take it. Say it. I'll take it. But if the price is still too high, I say politely, no thank you. Say it. No, thank you. Now, watch the full conversation. How much is this bag? Seller. 600 baht. That's too expensive. Can you make it cheaper? Seller. Okay, 300 baht. I'll take it. Thank you. Did you hear all 5 phrases? Quick quiz. Ready? You see a hat? You want to know the price? You say, how much is this? The hat costs 1,000 baht. Too much. You say, that's too expensive. You want a lower price? You say, can you make it cheaper? Excellent. You are a great English shopper. Next time, I visits a Thai temple and learns, what is that? And it's beautiful. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye-bye.